Alright amigos, ¿qué onda? We're back at it. John's Moto Garage, welcome to the channel. The Dyna is back in commission. Well, kind of. As you can see, I got the chain on there. So I got the chain back on the bike, and my plan was to go out and mob around on this today, do the maiden voyage, break it in and everything, but I found a sweet deal on an Iron 883 Sportster, one of my personal favorites. Have not had one in quite some time. So we're going to push off the Dyna ride and go check out the Sportster 883. So fingers crossed it pans out.
Do you mind if I check out the passenger seat real quick, or the solo seat?
I don't have it with me.
Oh,
I don't have one. My bad. No.
It's the stock solo seat that comes with it.
The stock solo seat just right there.
Cool. Right on. All right, amigos, John's Moto Garage. Not sure who's going where here. I don't really want to wait in that line. Let's go over here. All right, guys, John's Moto Garage. Welcome to the channel. I don't really know where I'm going. We're on a 2013 Iron 883. Doing our little test ride here. Whoa, hitting a bump. This one has 11,337 miles. All in all, I'd say pretty good condition. You know, just a few little things here and there. With that mileage, you're gonna expect somewhere. And the guy said he did have it parked outside for a little while. But for the price, I can't complain. So anyway, just doing my test ride, shifting through the gears real quick. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I'm a big fan of the Sportsters. I've had a handful before. And the Iron 883, in terms of just overall styling and appearance, is hands down one of my absolute favorites. Just a nice clean look of it. It's all blacked out. Got the classic looking peanut tank. I'm gonna pull up right here so you guys can get a look at the bike. I have no idea where I'm at. This place looks like it's abandoned. Anyway, so there it is. Like I said, a little dirty, but we can clean it up. Looks like it may be lowered in the rear, but all in all, nice and clean bike. It looks like it has a Daymaker front headlight. I wasn't aware of that, so that's cool. That's a nice upgrade. So obviously it's an 883. These are 5-speed. This one, I'm super stoked. It has the mid control still on it. These things are real low. You don't have a huge lean angle. Easy to drag those. Looks like he had the seat done, but he said he has the solo seat as well. Just do a quick walk around of the bike. So yeah, something about these, just the overall styling. Real bare bones, basic, nothing over the top. Just the classic bobber, peanut tank, mid controls. And the 883, and I get a lot of heat because I've always said, you know, the 883 is not a good touring bike. But again, it doesn't mean you can't jump on the freeway and cruise just fine on this. I mean, it is an 883. It's a decent sized engine. But what I love about them, what I love about it is just how lightweight and low to the ground they are. They feel real flickable. And so it's a lot funner if you're just cruising around town or run to the grocery store, or even going on like a decent little ride. This can be a lot funner than a big, huge touring bike that weighs a ton. Anyway, I'm digging it. Everything seems to be good on the test ride. Everything seems to be checking out. He said he had it serviced recently at one of the local Harley dealerships, so that's always a good thing. And it sounds like he was going to keep it long term, but they're buying a house and I guess they need to get rid of it. So I think this is one we'll be taking home, and rest assured we'll do a comparison of this and the Fat Bob, or the Street Bob rather, and all that good stuff. So All right, I gave the thumbs up of approval. I'm gonna park it here so I can load up my ramps and get this sucker up in here.
How'd it feel?
I always forget how fun these bikes are. I mean, there's something about just the size and the power to weight ratio. Jumping on this compared to like even the bigger bikes, it's like driving a Miata versus a Corvette, you know? If you're not a professional racer, the Miata's more fun.
Oh, that might be a nice thing. Oh yeah, you got some people doing cash off the crap.
Yeah, you just
Back off. Throwing off it right now.
Heck yeah. Just... All right, you guys, we made it back in one piece. Here she is. So again, I'm just a huge fan of these overall because they're cool looking bikes. I'm gonna get a solo seat for it, so I'll pick that up from the dude. And I think that's about it, but otherwise what you see is what you get. So as always, if you dig the content, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll get some videos with this. I'll probably do another Sportster versus Bolt video because this one is more in line with the comparison people typically do. They like the Iron 883 versus the Bolt, and so I'll do one of those videos, some comparisons. I'll get on this, just go out, have some fun on it, and just typical John's Moto Garage fashion. John's Moto Garage, there you have it. As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll hit you up on the next one. Nos vemos.